Hi, this is Katie, and I'm giving you a call from the Dealer Service Center. We recently noticed your car's extended warranty was going to expire and wanted to give you one final courtesy call before your warranty expires and your coverage is voided. This would make you financially responsible for all service repairs. Press 1 now if you wish to extend or reinstate your car's warranty.
Hi, this is Roger with Warranty and Division. If you could please verify the year, make, and model of the vehicle so I can pull up your file.
1987 Chevrolet S10 pickup.
Okay. 87, huh? I'll go ahead and go ahead and remove your number. Have a nice day, sir.
Two.